Number 1. This 1971 Oldsmobile Delta 88, offered at $4,400 and located in New Tripoli, Pennsylvania, is presented as a well-preserved and mechanically sound example of Oldsmobile's full-size luxury line. Equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by the robust 455 cubic inch V8 engine, it delivers the kind of smooth and confident performance the Delta 88 was known for in its era. The factory dual exhaust system remains intact, enhancing both the car's originality and its deep classic exhaust note that reflects Oldsmobile's trademark refinement. According to the seller, the car runs and drives beautifully, suggesting that it has been properly maintained and kept in operational condition rather than being left dormant. Recent maintenance includes a new master cylinder and a new battery, ensuring that key components of the braking and electrical systems are up to date. These updates indicate that the seller has taken the time to address important mechanical details, making the vehicle more reliable for immediate use or as a strong foundation for light restoration. The body is described as having minimal rust, with only minor areas of corrosion noted around the rear window trim as shown in the photos. This is impressive for a car of its age, particularly one that has not undergone extensive restoration work. The solid condition of the sheet metal and the limited rust suggest that this Delta 88 has lived a relatively easy life, likely protected from harsh weather or road salt. Its original trim and design elements appear to remain intact, preserving the car's period-correct appeal. Offered with a clean Pennsylvania title and a firm cash-only price, this Oldsmobile Delta 88 represents a great opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a classic American cruiser that blends comfort, performance, and originality. Whether kept as a nostalgic weekend driver or used as the basis for a mild cosmetic restoration, this car provides strong mechanical fundamentals and an authentic character that stands out among full-size cars from the early 1970s. With its combination of drivability, originality, and affordability, it's an attractive option for anyone looking to enjoy vintage Oldsmobile style without breaking the bank. Number 2. This 1967 Ford Mustang, offered at $14,500 and located in Pelham, New Hampshire, is presented as a solid and drivable example of one of America's most iconic classic cars. Powered by the dependable 170 cubic inch inline-six engine paired with an automatic transmission, this Mustang offers an authentic vintage driving experience with the simplicity and reliability of a six-cylinder setup. The seller describes the car as solid overall, a key factor for anyone looking for a project car that doesn't require extensive rust repair or major structural work. The Mustang currently runs and drives, indicating that its drivetrain is functional and roadworthy. Several recent maintenance updates have been completed to ensure mechanical dependability, including a new fuel tank, new brakes with a fresh master cylinder and lines, and a recently rebuilt carburetor. These upgrades address common problem areas in older vehicles, suggesting that the seller has invested time and money into keeping the car operational and safe to drive. While the car is said to be solid and mechanically sound, it does require some TLC, meaning it would benefit from cosmetic attention and additional detailing to bring it up to show quality standards. For many enthusiasts, this makes it an ideal entry-level classic, presentable enough to enjoy immediately, but still offering room for personalization and improvement. The body and frame condition, described as solid, provide a reassuring foundation for future restoration work or preservation as a period driver. Overall, this 1967 Ford Mustang offers an excellent opportunity to own a true American classic at a reasonable price point. With its timeless design, reliable powertrain, and recently refreshed key components, it's a great candidate for anyone looking to enjoy classic motoring without diving into a full restoration right away. The combination of originality, mechanical updates, and honest presentation makes this Mustang a compelling find for collectors and first-time classic car buyers alike. Number 3. This 1972 Chevrolet Nova, offered at $20,000 and located in Taylorsville, Kentucky, is presented as a high-quality roller that has already been extensively set up for performance. Designed for a small-block Chevy engine, it offers an outstanding foundation for anyone looking to complete a street machine or drag car build without starting from scratch. The car's exterior is described as having no rust and nice paint, reflecting a clean and solid body that eliminates the need for costly metal work or refinishing. Its overall presentation suggests that it has been carefully maintained and purposefully assembled with quality components throughout. Included with the car is a Muni 4-speed manual transmission complete with a blow-proof bell housing, an essential feature for high-performance applications. The drivetrain setup is further enhanced by a Moser Fab 9 rear end equipped with 35 spline axles, Willwood disc brakes, and a Wavelock limited slip differential. A nodular center section, 11 gears, and a 1350 yoke with pinion support complete the robust rear assembly, combining to deliver strength, traction, and durability suitable for high-power builds. These components indicate that the car has been prepared with serious performance potential in mind, capable of handling substantial horsepower once an engine is installed. Inside, the Nova features a clean black interior that complements its muscular exterior look. The seller also includes a brand new dash pad ready for installation, showing attention to detail and an effort to improve the car's interior condition. The cabin appears well preserved overall, offering a balance between vintage style and driver-oriented function. The inclusion of Billet Specialties wheels paired with nearly new tires enhances the car's stance and visual appeal, emphasizing its readiness for both show and performance use. The combination of classic design and modern performance parts makes this Nova a compelling platform for any enthusiast seeking a blend of nostalgia and capability. Underneath, the car benefits from a CalRA suspension setup featuring split monoleaf springs and lift bars, components designed to improve traction and stability during acceleration, ideal for drag or street performance. With these upgrades already completed, the car provides a tremendous head start toward a completed build, saving the next owner both time and expense. Offered with a firm no-trades policy, the seller makes it clear that this is a serious, well-prepared project intended for buyers who appreciate quality craftsmanship and a solid rust-free base. For those looking to create a high-performance Chevy Nova that combines authentic muscle car styling with modern engineering, this roller represents an exceptional opportunity to take a nearly finished project and make it their own. Number 4. This 1967 Cadillac Sedan DeVille, offered at $25,000 and located in Rostraver Township, Pennsylvania, is a striking full-size luxury cruiser that blends classic Cadillac elegance with a custom air ride stance. Showing 88,000 miles on the odometer, this DeVille retains its original charm while featuring tasteful upgrades that enhance its performance and appearance. The exterior presents beautifully, complemented by Supreme's wheels wrapped in classic Vogue tires, giving it an unmistakably vintage yet stylish lowrider-inspired look. Its air ride suspension setup includes half-inch lines, an engine-driven compressor, and dual 10-gallon tanks, ensuring smooth and adjustable ride height control for both comfort and visual impact. Powering this DeVille is Cadillac's legendary 429 CIC V8 engine paired with a TH400 automatic transmission, a combination known for its smooth power delivery and durability. The seller notes several updates to the ignition system, including newer Patronix components in the distributor along with fresh plugs and wires, improving reliability and performance. The addition of front disc brakes brings modern stopping power to the vintage platform, providing an extra measure of safety and control without compromising the car's period-correct appeal. Altogether, these mechanical improvements reflect a thoughtful balance of originality and practicality for regular cruising. Inside, the Cadillac features a well-kept interior that complements its stately exterior presentation. The cabin maintains much of its original luxury feel, with seating, trim, and finishes that speak to Cadillac's craftsmanship during the late 1960s. The seller describes both the interior and exterior as nice, suggesting the car has been cared for rather than restored beyond recognition. Despite the absence of air conditioning and heat, the DeVille's mechanical and cosmetic condition make it a ready-to-drive example that delivers the smooth, commanding ride quality Cadillac was known for in its prime. The air ride setup adds an extra layer of comfort, allowing effortless cruising at any height setting. According to the seller, the car runs great, rides perfectly, and has no known issues, making it an appealing option for anyone seeking a turnkey classic with personality and road presence. Offered strictly for cash, this DeVille represents a rare combination of style, originality, and custom flair. Its blend of old-school luxury, tasteful modifications, and strong mechanical fundamentals positions it as a standout choice for enthusiasts who appreciate full-size American classics with unique character. Whether displayed at shows, enjoyed on weekend drives, or kept as a statement cruiser, this 1967 Cadillac Sedan DeVille stands as an impressive and well-balanced example of timeless Cadillac elegance enhanced with modern drivability. Number 5. This 1963 Chevrolet Corvair Spyder convertible, offered at $5,000 and located in Doylestown, Pennsylvania, is presented as a solid running and driving example of Chevrolet's innovative air-cooled compact car. Currently powered by a running 110 horsepower engine, the sale also includes 2 additional turbocharged engines and a variety of extra parts, offering a rare opportunity for a buyer to either restore the car to true Spyder turbo specifications or customize it for performance. The inclusion of these engines makes this listing especially appealing to enthusiasts familiar with Corvair, as original turbo setups have become increasingly difficult to find in complete and restorable condition. The seller notes that the car comes with a clean title and has recently received significant mechanical attention to ensure it is roadworthy. Both the fuel and brake systems have been fully redone from front to back, featuring a new master cylinder and all new lines. Additionally, the engine was recently resealed with fresh engine-to-body seals, and other critical components such as the battery, alternator, and starter have been replaced. These updates reflect a substantial investment of time and effort to bring the car back to reliable running condition, eliminating many of the typical maintenance concerns that often come with older Corvairs. While the exterior does show some areas of rust, the seller emphasizes that the floors and trunk are solid, indicating a structurally sound foundation for continued use or restoration. The convertible body style adds another layer of desirability, combining open-air driving enjoyment with the sporty character of the early 1960s Corvair. Its current presentation suggests that much of the heavy mechanical work has already been completed, leaving mostly cosmetic improvements and finishing touches for the next owner. The car's body and trim appear largely intact, maintaining the charm of the original design while offering ample potential for further refinement. Overall, this 1963 Chevrolet Corvair Spyder convertible represents a well-balanced mix of originality, functionality, and potential. With its running condition, extensive list of new parts, and inclusion of 2 additional turbo engines, it provides a strong foundation for a restoration project or a unique driver build. The seller's attention to mechanical reliability, paired with the car's solid structure and convertible configuration, make it an attractive opportunity for Corvair enthusiasts or anyone looking for an affordable and distinctive entry into the world of vintage American cars. Whether restored to factory specs or modified to personal taste, this Corvair offers both value and versatility at an accessible price point. Number 6. This 1971 Plymouth Duster 340 clone, offered at $33,000 and located in Bangor, Pennsylvania, is presented as a stunning turnkey example of Mopar muscle built to drive and show with pride. The seller describes it as a drive-to-home car, underscoring its fully functional and dependable condition. Finished in what's described as gorgeous show-quality paint, the Duster exhibits the crisp lines and aggressive stance that made these compact muscle cars so popular in the early 1970s. The attention to detail in both the bodywork and finish suggests that this car was assembled with care and craftsmanship, ensuring it stands out whether on the road or at a show. Under the hood, this Duster pays tribute to the legendary 340 performance model that helped define Plymouth's reputation during the muscle car era. Though described as a clone, the car has been built to closely replicate the spirit and appearance of an original 340 Duster, likely featuring many of the same performance-oriented components and styling cues. The automatic transmission is operated via a column shifter, offering a smooth and relaxed driving experience that contrasts nicely with the car's aggressive looks. This combination of power, usability, and style makes it an ideal candidate for anyone who wants a classic muscle car that can be enjoyed immediately without further restoration. The seller emphasizes that the car works awesome, suggesting that the drivetrain, suspension, and electrical systems are all in excellent working order. This turnkey condition means the next owner can simply start it up and enjoy it. No sorting, no repairs, no waiting. The fit and finish of the exterior appear to be complemented by a clean, well-maintained interior that completes the car's show-ready presentation. This Duster has clearly been built to a standard that balances performance and appearance, making it equally suited for spirited drives, local car meetups, or weekend cruises. Offered with a firm no-trades policy, this 1971 Plymouth Duster 340 clone represents a rare chance to own a high-quality Mopar muscle car that's already dialed in and ready to enjoy. With its striking paint, reliable mechanicals, and faithful tribute styling, it captures the essence of one of Plymouth's most iconic performance models at a fraction of the cost of an original. For collectors or enthusiasts who value show-quality craftsmanship combined with everyday usability, this Duster offers the perfect blend of authenticity, performance, and turnkey satisfaction. Number 7. This 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, offered at $38,500 and located in Zebulon, North Carolina, is presented as a superior, fully restored example of Chevrolet's personal luxury coupe. Powered by a 454 SS big block engine paired with an automatic transmission, this Monte Carlo combines muscle car performance with classic elegance. The car features power steering and power brakes for smooth, effortless driving, along with factory-tinted glass and dual exhausts that add both comfort and presence. The exterior is accented by front and rear bumper guards, emphasizing its refined yet muscular styling. With just 3,970 miles since restoration, it remains in exceptional condition and ready for immediate enjoyment. Restored 9 years ago, this Monte Carlo has clearly benefited from careful long-term preservation. The seller notes that it has been kept in a climate-controlled environment since its restoration, ensuring that its paint, chrome, and interior materials remain in top condition. The car reportedly has no rust or bondo, suggesting that the restoration was performed to a high standard using solid original metal throughout. It has received only one repaint since the restoration, maintaining a fresh show-quality appearance that reflects the level of care invested in its upkeep. The attention to detail visible in the bodywork, trim, and panel fitment showcases the pride taken in the vehicle's presentation. Inside, the Monte Carlo's cabin continues the theme of refinement and authenticity. The factory air conditioning adds comfort and usability, making it suitable for both cruising and show display. The interior appears consistent with Chevrolet's original luxury design philosophy of the early 1970s, combining style with practicality. Given the low mileage accumulated since restoration, the upholstery, dashboard, and trim likely remain in excellent condition, showing minimal wear. The seller's description positions the car as not just restored, but meticulously maintained, an important distinction that separates a well-kept showpiece from an average older restoration. Offered with a firm no-trades policy, this 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo stands as a standout example of a classic that bridges the gap between muscle and luxury. With its big block 454 power, rust-free body, factory features, and impeccable preservation, it offers both driving pleasure and collectible value. The Monte Carlo's graceful proportions, powerful drivetrain, and outstanding condition make it ideal for enthusiasts seeking a turnkey classic that needs nothing but a driver who appreciates its blend of strength and sophistication. As the final year of the first-generation Monte Carlo, this car represents the pinnacle of early 1970s Chevrolet craftsmanship, one that's been cared for to a level worthy of any serious collection. Number 8. This 1976 Oldsmobile Cutlass S, offered at $20,950 and located in Staten Island, New York, is a striking and rare example of Oldsmobile's mid-1970s performance design. Closely related to the iconic 442, this Cutlass S showcases the same aggressive semi-fastback styling, bold striping, rally wheels, and sloped aerodynamic nose originally inspired by NASCAR racing. Its presence is both commanding and nostalgic, a perfect reflection of the era when American muscle transitioned toward a more refined yet still potent design language. The seller describes it as a car that turns heads everywhere you go, a fitting statement for a model that remains one of the more distinctive Oldsmobiles of its generation. Powering this Cutlass S is a rebuilt 455 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and a posy rear end, offering the kind of raw, engaging performance that define the muscle car spirit. Though the engine is not numbers matching, the rebuilt 455 delivers impressive torque and strong acceleration, pulling hard through every gear. This setup transforms the car into a genuinely fun and powerful driver, especially when paired with a front bench seat and classic 4-speed configuration that adds an unmistakably vintage feel. The combination of manual control, rear-wheel drive, and big block power ensures a driving experience that is both exciting and authentically old school. According to the seller, this Cutlass has recently received extensive mechanical attention to ensure reliable performance. Recent updates include new tires, brakes, a large-capacity cooling radiator, suspension work, a new alternator, a fresh battery, and a complete tune-up. These improvements make the car not only show-worthy but also ready to drive and enjoy immediately. The upgrades reflect a thoughtful approach to preservation, keeping the car's originality intact while improving its dependability for modern use. It is evident that considerable effort has been invested in maintaining this vehicle's mechanical health and ensuring that its performance matches its aggressive appearance. Overall, this 1976 Oldsmobile Cutlass S represents a rare blend of style, performance, and heritage at a very reasonable price point. Its connection to the legendary 442 lineage, combined with the rebuilt 455 engine, manual transmission, and period-correct presentation, makes it an appealing choice for enthusiasts who appreciate true 1970s American muscle. Offered as a great deal, this Cutlass stands as both a collectible and a driver's car, equally at home at local shows or carving down back roads. For buyers seeking a distinctive Oldsmobile that captures the spirit of performance, style, and nostalgia in one cohesive package, this Cutlass S delivers a lot of car for the money. Number 9. This 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle, offered at $43,000 and located in South Amboy, New Jersey, is presented as a powerful and well-equipped example of one of Chevrolet's most iconic muscle cars. The seller makes it clear that the car is for sale, not on sale, emphasizing that it is a thoughtfully built Chevelle with quality components rather than a bargain project. While described as not perfect, the car boasts a strong foundation and a long list of performance parts that make it both a capable street machine and a solid investment for enthusiasts. Its bold stance, steel cowl hood, and classic proportions capture the timeless look that defines late 1960s American muscle. Under the hood, this Chevelle features a 454 cubic inch big block built from a 427 casting serial number 1401545. Combining raw torque with proven reliability, the engine is fitted with a fast fuel injection system for modern drivability and consistent performance, while Hooker stainless long tube headers help the big block breathe freely and produce an unmistakable exhaust note. Recent maintenance includes new plugs and wires, ensuring the ignition system performs at its best. Power is delivered through a rebuilt Monte 4-speed transmission with an OEM Hurst shifter paired with a new McLeod clutch and machined flywheel, offering precise, confident gear changes that stay true to the muscle car experience. The drivetrain continues with a new drive shaft featuring fresh U-joints and a 12-bolt rear end equipped with 390 gears, an ideal setup for both street performance and spirited weekend driving. Supporting hardware includes Lakewood ladder bars for improved traction, new rear springs and spacers for a balanced ride height, and a combination of front disc brakes with all-new rear drum brakes for strong, consistent stopping power. The car rides on Weld S71 wheels wrapped in new Cooper tires, completing its aggressive, race-ready stance. Each of these components contributes to a well-rounded build focused on both power and control, not just visual appeal. Cosmetically, the seller rates the exterior at 6 out of 10 and the interior at 7 out of 10, suggesting that while the car may not be show-perfect, it presents well and remains very usable in its current condition. The cabin appears functional and tidy, suitable for immediate enjoyment with room for future cosmetic upgrades. Power steering and brakes add to its drivability, making it a comfortable yet commanding car to drive on modern roads. Overall, this 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle strikes an appealing balance between raw performance and classic authenticity. For enthusiasts seeking a big block 4-speed Chevelle that's already built with quality parts and ready to enjoy, this example offers a compelling mix of power, reliability, and muscle car character. Number 10. This 1967 Ford Mustang, offered at $23,500 and located in Virginia Beach, Virginia, is presented as a largely refreshed and mechanically updated classic that retains the timeless look of the first-generation Mustang while benefiting from thoughtful modern upgrades. The seller explains that the car had been stored indoors for 6 to 8 years before being purchased, and since then, significant work has been completed to bring it back to life. It now features new interior appointments, including freshly upholstered front and rear seats, new carpeting, and a clean headliner with no issues. The Mustang sits on new tires mounted to 15x 8-inch rims, giving it a confident stance that pairs well with its period-correct styling. Power comes from a 302 SID V8 paired with a C4 automatic transmission, an upgrade from its original 6-cylinder and 3-speed manual configuration. This drivetrain combination delivers a notable boost in performance and drivability, transforming the car into a more enjoyable cruiser. The braking system has also been upgraded from manual drums to power-assisted front discs, with the rear remaining drums but featuring new components and an adjustable proportioning valve for improved balance. Cooling has been addressed with a new radiator, hoses, and an electric fan. Additional enhancements include new valve covers, rear air shocks, and a new high-performance distributor and wires. Together, these updates ensure that the car runs reliably and is well prepared for regular use after years of sitting idle. Cosmetically, the car's paint shows some bubbling, as visible in the photos, and the floor pans have areas of rust that could benefit from replacement. Despite these issues, the body overall remains solid, making this Mustang an excellent candidate for continued restoration or preservation as a driver-quality car. The seller notes that the exhaust currently exits under the car rather than running over the axles, but that the dual exhaust system is functional. The car's stereo has also been modernized with a digital head unit disguised in an old-school style, powered by an amplifier and 4 infinity speakers, offering the perfect blend of vintage aesthetics and contemporary sound quality. According to the seller, much of the hard work has already been completed, leaving only minor finishing touches such as dialing in the timing and addressing the floor pans for those seeking a near-finish classic. The fluids for both the transmission and engine have been flushed, and the vehicle is currently stored indoors. With its combination of cosmetic refresh, mechanical upgrades, and solid foundation, this 1967 Mustang represents an excellent opportunity for anyone seeking a dependable driver-ready classic with room for personalization. Offered with a clean title and a no-trades policy, it's a great value for a V8-equipped Mustang that blends authenticity, performance, and comfort, all wrapped in one of the most iconic designs of the muscle car era. Number 11. This 1966 Plymouth Satellite, offered at $37,500 and located in Sebring, Ohio, is a fully restored high-performance build that represents the perfect fusion of classic Mopar styling and modern engineering. Featuring a clean title and just 5,000 miles since its restoration, this car has undergone an extensive, no-expense-spared rebuild with full documentation, including photos and receipts from the entire process. The seller emphasizes that no corners were cut, and the quality of craftsmanship reflects that claim. This is a straight, professionally built car that delivers both visual appeal and serious performance. Its striking paintwork presents beautifully, showing only a few small blemishes that do little to detract from its overall show-quality appearance. At the heart of the Satellite lies a fully redone 440 cubic inch big block V8 that's been punched 0-40 over, combining raw Mopar power with precision engineering. The engine is equipped with a steel crank, hydraulic cam, and steel pistons designed to handle high performance while maintaining reliability. Feeding the beast is an 850 CFM dual pumper carburetor supported by an electric fuel pump and 8 fuel lines leading to a rear-mounted fuel cell. The result is an engine setup that delivers brutal power with consistent fueling and throttle response. The drivetrain is further strengthened by a 4-speed manual transmission paired with an upgraded clutch, offering the kind of tactile engagement that true muscle car purists crave. Supporting the big power is an 8 3/4 in rear end with a 4.56 gear ratio, ensuring explosive acceleration and strong traction. The car also features a full aluminum tub cage, and an aluminum dash fitted with performance gauges blending racing function with classic aesthetics. Despite these performance upgrades, the builder retained much of the factory interior, maintaining a balance between stripped-down muscle and vintage comfort. The braking and handling systems have also been comprehensively updated with four-wheel disc brakes and a fully adjustable suspension setup that provide exceptional control and stopping power, an essential improvement for a car with this level of performance. The engine bay showcases a billet aluminum accessory drive and a massive 4 inches aluminum radiator, ensuring both visual polish and reliable cooling under demanding conditions. Altogether, the attention to detail throughout this build is immediately apparent, from the quality of the materials to the precision of the assembly. The seller is firm that you couldn't build a car of this caliber for anywhere near the asking price. And given the extent of the restoration, that claim holds true. Offered at $37,500 OBO plus tax and title and available only for cash or certified bank checks, this 1966 Plymouth Satellite represents an outstanding opportunity to own a fully documented show-ready and street-capable Mopar that was built right from the ground up. For anyone seeking a no-compromise blend of beauty, power, and authenticity, this Satellite stands out as a meticulously executed example of classic American performance done to the highest standard. Number 12. This 1969 Oldsmobile Cutlass, offered at $13,750 and located in Florissant, Missouri, is a beautifully maintained example of late 60s American muscle with a perfect balance of classic styling, modernized performance, and everyday drivability. Showing just 41,000 miles, this Cutlass combines original character with thoughtfully executed upgrades, making it an ideal choice for collectors and enthusiasts seeking a genuine, well-kept driver rather than a fully restored showpiece. Finished in a vibrant red exterior over a sleek black interior, the color combination perfectly captures the spirit and style of 1960s Americana while standing out on the road. Under the hood, this Cutlass features a high-compression 1968 455 cubic inch V8 with C-head sourced from a Tornado, complete with the rare factory-forged steel crankshaft, a mild cam, and headers. Paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission with a 2,500 revolutions per minute stall and a robust Ford 9-inch rear end, this drivetrain provides both smooth performance and dependable power delivery, making it perfect for spirited cruising or weekend drives. This Cutlass has received extensive mechanical attention and upgrades to ensure reliability and safety. Recent improvements include a brand new disc brake kit with hubs, spindles, calipers, and lines, a new master cylinder, upper and lower ball joints, front shocks, rear air shocks, and updated steering arms. Additionally, many cosmetic and interior details have been refreshed, including brand new carpet, a new windshield, and numerous smaller components such as window cranks, hood springs, and B-pillar and quarter glass seals. The vehicle has been thoroughly gone through to ensure it's mechanically sound and ready to drive. The combination of classic Oldsmobile styling, a powerful and rare drivetrain, and modernized updates makes this Cutlass a standout example of American muscle. Whether you're an enthusiast looking for a weekend driver, a collector in search of a low-mileage classic, or someone who appreciates the blend of originality and upgraded performance, this car delivers on all fronts. With a clean title in hand, it's ready to drive home today, offering the perfect mix of timeless appeal, comfort, and reliability. Number 13. This 1967 Pontiac GTO Coupe 2D, offered at $49,900 and located in Northwood, Ohio, is an exceptional example of Pontiac's legendary first-generation muscle car, combining classic styling, strong performance, and carefully executed modern upgrades. With 86,766 miles, this GTO retains its timeless appeal while delivering a highly capable and street-ready driving experience, making it an ideal choice for collectors and enthusiasts seeking a true muscle car with authenticity and provenance, rather than a fully restored, show-only vehicle. The car is finished in a crisp white exterior complemented by a black interior, presenting a clean, aggressive, and unmistakably classic look that perfectly reflects the style and character of late 1960s American performance automobiles. Under the hood, this GTO features a freshly built Pontiac 462-stroker engine crafted by Sean at Patriot Pontiac Engines, delivering substantial power and reliability. The engine is paired with a brand new TKX Tremec 5-speed manual transmission featuring 287/68 gearing and an offset shifter, providing precise shifts and a connected, exhilarating driving experience. A new flywheel and clutch assembly ensure smooth operation and enhanced drivability. The drivetrain is anchored by a Moser 12-bolt rear end with linked suspension, and four-wheel disc brakes provide modern stopping power and confidence on the road. With less than 500 miles on the engine, transmission, and clutch, this GTO feels as strong and responsive as the day it was upgraded. Originally restored roughly 20 years ago, this GTO remained virtually unused on the street until the current owner purchased it. The previous owner undertook extensive work to ensure long-term reliability and performance, including removing the body from the chassis to paint the frame, replace body bushings, and complete additional suspension improvements. The result is a car that is both highly dependable and immediately enjoyable to drive while preserving its classic lines and collector appeal. This GTO also comes with an impressive array of additional parts for enthusiasts or builders, including a brainless turbo 400 automatic transmission with a 4,500 stall converter and driveshaft, a rebuilt Monte M21 4-speed with super shift, clutch disc, driveshaft, and a full set of weld wheels with Hoosier front and rear drag slicks. While the asking price of $49,900 is for the car alone, the seller is open to negotiating on these extra parts for serious buyers. With full P. documentation verifying its 242 VIN and confirming its original 400/4-speed configuration. This GTO offers both authenticity and enhanced performance in one complete package. Every aspect of the car has been thoughtfully maintained and upgraded to preserve the iconic Pontiac GTO experience, from its legendary styling to its powerful, reliable drivetrain. Whether you are looking for a weekend cruiser, a collector-grade muscle car, or a capable street machine, this 1967 GTO delivers a unique combination of history, performance, and everyday usability. Serious inquiries are requested. Number 14. This 1966 Ford Mustang Fastback, offered at $30,000 and located in Clarksville, Tennessee, is a striking example of a classic American muscle car, thoughtfully updated for modern performance and drivability. With just 12,345 miles, this Mustang is a true restomod, blending the iconic styling of the mid-1960s with contemporary mechanical enhancements, making it an ideal choice for enthusiasts seeking a head-turning, reliable, and fun-to-drive classic, rather than a purely show car. Finished in a vibrant green wrap over a black base, the Mustang carries a bold and unique presence that commands attention wherever it goes. Under the hood, this Fastback is powered by a 4.6-liter V8 engine mated to an automatic transmission, providing smooth and responsive performance for both spirited drives and everyday usability. Modern upgrades such as power steering, power disc brakes, and air conditioning add comfort and control, while features like power windows and a power trunk release enhance convenience for daily use or weekend cruising. The car runs and drives exceptionally well, offering the best of both worlds. Classic Mustang character with dependable modern performance. Originally a classic 1966 Mustang Fastback, this vehicle has been modified into a restomod while retaining its timeless body lines and fastback silhouette. The green exterior wrap, used primarily for promotional purposes, gives the car a bold and contemporary look, while the underlying black paint preserves the classic essence. While not a flawless show car, this Mustang delivers a fun, engaging driving experience and remains a true head-turner wherever it goes. Whether you're a collector looking for a unique restomod, a Mustang enthusiast seeking a reliable weekend driver, or someone who simply wants a classic car with modern comfort and performance, this 1966 Ford Mustang Fastback offers a rare combination of style, capability, and character. Trades for a tri-tune boat or other classic vehicles will be considered. Serious inquiries only. Number 15. This 1970 Cadillac De Ville Coupe 2D, offered at $15,000 and located in Edmond, Oklahoma, is a distinguished example of Cadillac's hallmark American luxury from the early 1970s. With 89,700 miles, this full-size coupe delivers the commanding presence, smooth performance, and comfort that made Cadillac a symbol of prestige and refinement during this era. Finished in a rich gold exterior over a classic tan interior, this DeVille exudes understated elegance, perfectly capturing the sophistication and style that has defined Cadillac for generations. Under the hood, this DeVille is powered by a 472 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a TH400 automatic transmission, providing effortless and reliable performance for long-distance cruising or city driving alike. The ignition system has been upgraded to a modern HEI distributor for improved starting and drivability, while the original distributor and radiator, both in original condition, are included in the trunk, offering collectors the option to retain or restore original components. Aside from the exterior paint and minor cosmetic imperfections, the vehicle remains largely original, preserving its authenticity and classic appeal. Cosmetic and functional details reflect its age and use. The car has a few minor paint chips, a cracked windshield, and the radio is currently non-functional. The HVAC system blows hot but not cold R12, which is consistent with the car's status as a driver quality classic rather than a showpiece. These modest issues have been taken into account in the asking price, making it an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts to acquire a solid, full-size Cadillac with potential for further improvement or personalization. This 1970 Cadillac De Ville Coupe 2D stands out for its combination of classic design, strong V8 performance, and timeless luxury. Its long hood, formal roofline, and elegant styling cues convey both presence and sophistication, while the spacious interior and smooth automatic transmission ensure a comfortable driving experience. Whether you are a collector looking for an authentic classic to enjoy as is, a restomod enthusiast seeking a solid platform for upgrades, or someone who appreciates the elegance and performance of a vintage Cadillac, this DeVille offers a unique blend of versatility, style, and history. Cash offers are preferred, though the seller is open to trades for other classics, particularly 1940s, 1950s shoebox-style cars or 1960s, 1970s muscle cars. With a clean title in hand and a mechanically sound platform, this Cadillac is ready to provide both the joy of classic American motoring and the opportunity to further enhance its value over time. For buyers seeking a distinguished, full-size luxury classic with personality, provenance, and potential, this 1970 Cadillac De Ville Coupe 2D represents a compelling opportunity. Number 16. This 1968 Chevrolet Impala SS Convertible, offered at $22,500 and located in New Canaan, Connecticut, is presented as a well-preserved collector-grade example of Chevrolet's full-size performance luxury from the late 1960s. Powered by its 327 cubic inch V8 paired with an automatic transmission, this convertible offers a smooth yet strong driving experience that reflects the blend of style and performance that made the Impala SS a classic of its time. The car comes equipped with factory power windows, power top, and air conditioning, showcasing the premium options available on the Sport trim. With its combination of performance upgrades and factory comfort features, this Impala retains its identity as both a cruiser and a collectible. Under the hood, the car features a number of tasteful and functional upgrades designed to enhance performance and reliability. It now wears new Adele Brockheads, intake, and carburetor, giving the 327 engine improved breathing and throttle response while maintaining its period-correct character. The new dual exhaust system with Flowmaster mufflers adds a deep, muscular tone that complements the car's sporty image. These updates were carried out with an emphasis on preserving the car's drivability and originality rather than turning it into a modified hot rod. Mechanically, it is described as being in excellent working condition with an overall performance and appearance rating of 8.5 out of 10. Cosmetically, this Impala SS shows signs of careful long-term ownership, having been garage-kept since it was acquired by the current owner. The paint and trim retain an attractive appearance, with the seller noting that it would benefit primarily from a full detailing and polish to bring out its best shine. The body lines, chrome, and convertible top appear well-maintained, reflecting a car that has been preserved rather than neglected. Its stance and presentation convey the classic American convertible look, sleek, powerful, and elegant in equal measure. With its combination of originality, tasteful performance enhancements, and solid preservation. This 1968 Chevrolet Impala SS convertible represents a strong example for collectors and enthusiasts seeking a turnkey classic with room for light cosmetic refinement. The inclusion of comfort options like A, C, and power accessories makes it an appealing cruiser for warm weather driving, while the upgraded 327 ensures plenty of muscle to back up its looks. Overall, this Impala offers a balanced mix of show-quality potential and enjoyable usability, making it a standout in today's classic Chevrolet market. Number 17. This 1968 Pontiac GTO Convertible offered at $53,500 and located in Uriah, Ohio is a fully restored show car that has undergone a meticulous frame-off nut and bolt restoration. Retaining its matching numbers 400 cubic in V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, this GTO represents an authentic and high-quality example of Pontiac's legendary muscle convertible. Finished in a striking army green exterior with a contrasting black interior, the car exudes both sophistication and period-correct appeal, making it a standout at shows or in any classic collection. Every aspect of this restoration has been completed to a show-quality standard with careful attention paid to both appearance and function. The seller notes that all lights and electrical components are fully operational, as are the gauges within the dashboard. Details that underscore the thoroughness of the build. The glass throughout the car is described as flawless with no cracks or imperfections, complementing the pristine presentation of the convertible's body and trim. The finish, bright work, and detailing all suggest a car that has been restored not only to drive, but to impress. Mechanically, the GTO delivers the performance and presence expected of Pontiac's iconic 400 V8, paired with a smooth shifting automatic transmission that makes it easy to enjoy both on the road and in parades. The matching numbers drivetrain adds considerable collector value, preserving its authenticity as a true GTO rather than a clone or tribute. With its frame-off restoration and attention to originality, this car offers the rare combination of show-winning looks and mechanical confidence. Overall, this 1968 Pontiac GTO convertible stands as a top-tier example of a classic American muscle car restored to a high standard. Its blend of originality, show-quality presentation, and proven reliability make it ideal for collectors, enthusiasts, or anyone seeking a turnkey classic convertible with both performance pedigree and investment potential. The seller is also open to trade considerations, offering flexibility for those looking to make an exchange for another quality classic. Number 18. This 1963 AMC Rambler Pro Street wagon offered at $65,000 and located in Waukesha, North Carolina is an extraordinary custom-built machine that merges classic styling with extreme performance engineering. Built around a full tube chassis with a cage, this Rambler has been transformed into a professional level street car with no detail overlooked. Powering the wagon is a monstrous 468 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine topped with an 871 blower and dual Holley QFT carburetors producing staggering power while remaining pump gas friendly. The blower belt features a custom painted art design complemented by a unique newspaper box style blower scoop that adds a creative and distinctive visual touch. Finished with beautiful paint and polished trim work, the car maintains an all-steel body and hood, preserving a sense of authenticity despite its radical setup. The drivetrain has been built to handle serious power, starting with a turbo 400 TCI transmission and a narrowed Ford 9 inches rear end, equipped with a Detroit locker and 373 gears. Supporting components include strange axles, strange coilovers, and aerospace polished four-wheel disc brakes for dependable stopping power. The setup ensures that this Rambler not only looks fierce, but performs like a proper drag-inspired pro street car. Despite its race-ready configuration, it remains surprisingly manageable on the road, offering a thrilling driving experience that's both wild and controllable. The large 31 by 18 Mickey Thompson tires in the rear complete the aggressive stance and provide traction worthy of the car's immense torque output. Under the hood, every detail reflects high-quality craftsmanship and performance focus. The engine bay features a brand new CNR Racing custom aluminum radiator with twin brushless electric fans controlled by a temperature module and dedicated wiring harness to maintain optimal cooling. Additional upgrades include new fuel lines, an 8-gallon fuel cell, MSD ignition and starter, a Milo Dawn oil pan, billet hood hinges, and a B&M ratchet shifter. Each component has been chosen for reliability and performance, resulting in a car that's not just built for show, but for serious street and strip action. Safety has also been prioritized with dual front seat harnesses and a reinforced chassis that's ready for high-speed driving. Inside, the car continues its custom theme with a clean and functional layout, including fitted carpeting in the rear cargo area, maintaining a balance between comfort and racing intent. The car has been garage-kept and carefully maintained, reflecting the owner's dedication to preserving its condition. The seller emphasizes that the Rambler is fun and wild to drive with lots of power, yet remains a turnkey machine ready to impress onlookers and dominate the street. Offered with a clean North Carolina title and openness to trades for other classics or hot rods of similar value. This one-of-a-kind 1963 AMC Rambler Pro Street wagon represents the perfect combination of artistry, craftsmanship, and brute force performance. A true showstopper that stands out in any crowd. Number 19. This 1962 Chevrolet Corvette convertible offered at $79,000 in only Maryland is a stunning triple black example that blends classic looks with fresh mechanicals. It features a recently rebuilt 327 V8 engine paired with a Powerglide automatic transmission, both running smoothly and delivering plenty of classic Corvette performance. The car retains a no-hit body with an exterior that shines beautifully and shows no stress cracks. Complementing the look are polished chrome and stainless trim, all in exceptional condition. The Corvette comes with both a brand new soft top and a matching hard top, the latter featuring excellent chrome and clear glass. The undercarriage is just as clean as the body, reflecting the care and attention this car has received over the years. Braking has been updated with new lines and shoes, while the engine sports an aluminum intake and a Del Brock carburetor for added performance and reliability. Inside, all original gauges remain fully functional, maintaining the authentic mid-century Corvette feel. The car drives as well as it looks, smooth, responsive, and a real head-turner on the road. Its triple black color combination adds to its elegance and collectability, making it equally suited for shows or weekend cruising. Also included are 4 extra steel wheels with hubcaps and a selection of new and used parts, adding even more value. Overall, this Corvette presents as a clean, well-maintained, and attention-grabbing classic that needs nothing but a new owner ready to enjoy and appreciate its timeless appeal. Number 20. This 1962 Mercury Comet 4-door, offered at $1,000 and located in Loretto, Kentucky, is a solid and original example of early 1960s American compact sedans. Ideal for collectors, hobbyists, or anyone seeking a low-cost project car. With a clean title in hand, this Comet can be purchased as a complete vehicle or parted out to suit restoration or parts needs. Finished in its original styling, the car retains the classic, understated lines that made Mercury a popular choice for practical, reliable transportation in the early 60s. Under the hood, this Comet is powered by its original inline 6-cylinder engine paired with a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission, delivering a simple yet classic driving experience. The vehicle has received a few recent mechanical upgrades to ensure usability and mobility, including brand new leaf springs, bushings, and U-bolts, all included in the trunk. In addition, a brand new set of boat trailer tires has been installed to allow for easy movement and transport, making it simple to roll the car for restoration, storage, or parts removal. Cosmetically, the car is in fair condition and shows signs of age consistent with its 60-year history. While it is not a showpiece, it offers a solid starting point for restoration enthusiasts or anyone looking to source original Mercury Comet parts. Most smaller components can also be shipped, providing flexibility for buyers who may be working remotely or seeking replacement pieces for other projects. This 1962 Mercury Comet 4-door represents a rare opportunity to acquire a complete early 1960s compact sedan at an accessible price, either for restoration, parts, or as a foundation for a creative project. Its combination of classic Mercury design, simple mechanicals, and readily available replacement parts make it a versatile option for collectors and hobbyists alike. With a clean title and mechanical improvements already in place, this Comet is ready for pickup in Loretto, Kentucky, or for parts shipment nationwide, providing a practical and affordable entry into classic car ownership.